Hey, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds.
And I'm Amanda.
This is our house renovation tour. We bought this house for
£3 million.
and we're spending a load more money on it, making it our own. We're renting a house down the road because this has got so much work going on. But we wanted to do a video to sort of show you the process of the actual build. So
I
you
know
ready?
it's kind of at the peak.
It's
right
exciting.
Now, so,
There's lots going on. Let's show you around. Let's go. So before, you may remember, this was a garage and we completely demolished it,
We
didn't we?
did demolish it though.
We did?
We did.
We knocked it to the ground?
It wasn't knocked to the ground.
Babe, I got pictures.
Listen, we took the roof off and then we removed some of the walls.
No, we didn't. We knocked it down to the ground. I'm going to find the video proof. We demolished it.
I've got the receipts.
We demolished it. Are you telling me? Come on, let's come on. You telling me that there was still stuff standing, it wasn't completely gone?
Yeah.
You're so wrong.
No. So what happened was we took the roof off.
Yeah.
It was and then we've extended to the top. And then some of the walls we had to cut through to make openings, but we didn't demolish it to the ground, but they did have to add some foundations.
We demolished it to the
stuff.
ground. I remember seeing it with nothing there. Come and see. This was a garage, but I personally feel that garages are overrated. Do you feel that?
Yeah, because you end up with just lots of junk in them. You don't actually ever use them.
I know,
as a garage.
and when you've got private gates and stuff like that in your cars, you've got full-time security, and like, what's the point of having a garage, you know? So we decided to knock it down to the ground and demolish it. And build, instead build this. Come on, have a look around. So this area is gonna be my recording studio. So this is where we're gonna film Winners on a Wednesday. This is where I'm gonna film a lot of my YouTube videos. You're gonna see a background. We're gonna have the brand Samuel Leeds logo or something. TV there. Nice, beautiful podcast type tables here where I can interview people on Winners on a Wednesday and so forth. So this is gonna be my little space.
It's a really good space.
Yeah, it is.
I love those doors as well. Because so before this was just like a complete wall. So we've opened it up now. So you've got bifold doors that go out straight into the garden.
Yeah,
as well, so
we did have to get planning permission to do this. Because we were demolishing it to the ground and stuff, we needed planning permission, which took about 3 months, didn't it, to get planning?
It took a while, yeah.
Yeah, and also because there's a listed building like next door to us, even though you can't see the listed building and they can't see us, they didn't like our initial design, did they? Because Amanda made it like really glass. It was like a glass.
Yeah.
And they said nah. So we wanted to have like complete open doors here, a bit like that side, but they wouldn't let us do it at the front, so we did it at the back. They allowed us to do that. So yeah, you can't do everything you want. Just because you own the house, you can't just do anything you want. You've still got to comply with the council planning regulations. So this is the podcast room. Now, if you come to Winners on a Wednesday and you're sitting here with me when this is all finished and you need to go to the toilet, no problem. You don't have to go to the house. You can go. In fact, damn, even if you want to come take a shower, no problem. You want to take a shower? You're in the middle of filming Winners Wednesday, have a quick shower break, no problem, man. You come through, you're gonna be able to take a shower right here. Shower, toilet, little small bathroom. I like this.
I know, it's really nice. It's gonna look really good as well because the mirrors are gonna be lit up and things like that, so it's gonna look really, really nice.
By the way, you do realise I'm gonna hunt down the footage or the pictures of it being completely demolished, and then I'm gonna put it as B-roll on this video.
I can't wait to see you.
I can't. Who do you think's right? Who do you think's right? Amanda? Amanda, she's a quantity surveyor, cost manager, has mainly been involved. Or me, who remembers seeing it demolished. Who do you think's right? Comment below. At the end of the video, we will find out and I will put the evidence.
Okay.
So upstairs, woo! This room is gonna be my second office. So I'm planning to have an office desk here. By the way, I'm one of those guys, I can't have my back exposed. So I wouldn't be able to possibly, they were talking about having my desk like in the middle of the room, like here, and I can look out the window. But I'm thinking, what happens if someone comes up the stairs behind me? You know, it's just weird. So my desk is gonna be, I'm gonna be here. And then what we're gonna do around the room, this is not gonna be like a lounge,
Yeah,
isn't
it's
it?
gonna be like a lounge area. So there's gonna be some seating. And then just over there's gonna be like a little kitchenette area. So a cooker tap for hot water, a little dishwasher, a little fridge.
This is gonna be like, we're gonna have the main house, the Amanda house. And this is going to be the Samuel house.
Yeah, you can do what you want in here.
She wanted me to have a bathroom, a kitchen, just so that like if I'm getting guests and stuff, I think we don't have to disturb your peace. Is that what it is? Yeah. You know what I mean? Because if we've not got a kitchen and I've got people over, if I'm having meetings and stuff.
Because initially he was like, oh no, you can just bring drinks over from, and I was thinking, what? From the kitchen in there, then
it's a long walk. It is a long walk. So I'm quite pleased with this. It's very light. I love the windows. I love how airy it is. And it's quite spacious. I would much rather have this than a garage.
Oh yeah.
And if ever we sell the house and someone wants to, they could always build a garage like at the front end of the house.
I don't even think you'd need one, but
I don't think so. We never used it. We just had, our garage just consisted of a Christmas tree. Because the thing is this as well, like, we don't need tools. When you don't have a lot of money, you have to do everything yourself, right? Cut your own garden, wash your car, all that kind of stuff. So you need a lawnmower. You need toolboxes. You need all this stuff. And where does it go? In the garage. We don't need that stuff because we have people that wash the car. We have people that cut the grass and. Yeah. So we don't need a garage. What we need is a studio and a Samuel lounge.
And it's way better use of the space.
I like it.
Another dollar, another day. I ain't worried about a thing from yesterday. Swerving so hard in the getaway. I stay on the move like on the leg.
So coming through to the back, where we've changed things up as well. We wanted an outdoor gym.
Yes, I mean, we've got an indoor gym, a small kind of indoor gym, but there's nothing nicer, I think, than working outside in the summer. So we just put this whole decking area here, which, to be honest, I love this area.
I know, it's great. I think it's just brilliant. I think it's going to be really good in the summer.
Yeah, we're going to have a boxing ring here, just a small one, 12 foot by 12 foot, which we just bought actually. So this just came a couple of days ago. So this is the boxing ring. And we've already had a couple of sparring sessions, me and Amanda, haven't we? Amanda's a tough contender. And then, yeah, so ring here, then we're just going to put, I don't know exactly what we're going to have. I'm thinking some boxing bags, bench press, just some stuff outdoors.
Yeah.
And, you know, we're going to also put like a canopy outside. Is that what it is?
Yeah, I think it's a pergola.
How does it work? To stop the rain and
everything.
So
you can shut the louvers and then the rain won't come in. You can have it open.
Yeah. So if it's sunny, you can have it open up.
Yeah.
If it's rainy, have it closed. So that's this. We've also, as well, recently got some palm trees. So they're quite expensive actually. Palm trees cost a lot. So we've got these palm trees put in with my beautiful hammock. Again, you can just hear so much going on. It's so noisy. And with all the scaffolding and there's constantly just people here. That's why we're renting another house at the moment down the road. So we're kind of nipping back and forth. It's only about 2 minutes away, isn't it? Yeah. Hammock. Love this.
I know, that's been just like a perfect addition.
I blend in with the hammock.
I know you do.
I'm like a chameleon right now, blending in.
You like fall asleep out here, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
It is brilliant.
Oh, yes. You know what it is in here? It's like your body just rests in a way that it can't when you're in bed. When you're in bed, arms everywhere, pillow. Now, floating. Complete rest. And palm trees either side of me, because palm trees represent freedom. Love it here. Right, let's go. What's next? Swim spa. Tell what the plan is with the swim spa.
So our plan with the swim spa is to have it sunken into the ground. We're going to have it, they're going to dig a big hole, put it in the ground, have some decking around it, have some sun loungers, basically have it feeling like we're in Spain, but we're in England.
Without the sunshine.
I know, without the sunshine. We get really good sun though, when it's hot, the sun.
But the swim spa, you can go in it any time.
Oh yeah, we can use it any time.
It's like a hot jacuzzi, but big and kind of swim in it.
Yeah.
So I love that, that's been an asset.
I know, really big asset.
So yeah, so not loads to do outside. We're kind of getting there really, aren't we? Also as well, I want to get rid of I just want the whole garden to run clean along here. Who needs this type of thing? You know what I mean? Like, what's this?
You hate shrubs.
This whole thing, this whole area needs to go. So yeah, that's the outside, wrap around. Inside, We've got a lot going on inside as well.
I know,
haven't we?
yeah, we've had a lot.
Should we show them a quick peek inside? I know it's messy.
Yeah, I know, it's not that tidy.
Quick peek, quick peek. Okay. Oh, here we go. We'll go through the back.
So the kitchen, we just had the kitchen completely redone.
I love the kitchen.
I absolutely love the kitchen.
Yeah, I like it.
So before, if you've seen our previous house tour, it was like a cream,
Is that
glossy,
wood?
yeah, with a wood worktop that was about this thick.
Apparently the
like,
wooden worktop was like a really expensive wooden worktop, but you didn't like it, so we sold it. We sold it for quite a bit, didn't we?
I know we did. Someone who was building their house bought our old kitchen because they wanted it in their
So we bought we sold that for £6,000 and we bought this. This was about, I don't remember.
Yeah.
I don't remember.
It was in the tens of thousands.
Yeah.
But yeah, so this is the kitchen. And also in the kitchen, we're still thinking about a feature light. I haven't decided yet.
Yeah.
But yeah, kitchen's great. Absolutely.
And also as well, you got like, that's where we work out. We've got the playroom, gym, utility back there. This has all been done up as well, this area. Again, this was all wood.
Yeah,
wasn't like the wood effect. Now we've got the marble effect with the tiles.
Really, really nice.
Downstairs toilet.
We've also
Sorry, go on.
changed all so we had spindles on the stairs.
Yeah.
We've changed it all to be
How much
glass.
better does the stairs look though?
There's so much more light that comes in. And we're also going to be changing our front door. So we're going to have full length floor to ceiling glass either side and then a big massive front door. So again, there's going to be more light coming in.
And also, big thing as well we're going to be doing is the whole front of the house. We've got planning permission accepted to put Juliet balconies, which is just going to bring in so much light into the house.
Yeah, we love
So
light.
lots happening.
I know. It's
I
brilliant.
think that's about it, to be honest. I don't think there's much more. Oh, lounge.
That's like the best part. How could
Show
you
us-
forget?
show us the
Oh,
lounge.
I love.
We
love,
just had
love,
to. I can't
love.
believe I thought that was the end of the tour. Upstairs, we're going to leave upstairs. But I mean, upstairs, I'll just say quickly.
Go on.
Upstairs, our room upstairs, like, it's amazing. It's massive. We got a dressing room,
Yeah.
a nice ensuite. What we're doing, because we don't need as many bedrooms, we're stealing an entire bedroom and then we're making our ensuite huge. You're having a whole new bedroom for a dressing room.
Oh, yeah.
I'm having our dressing room as my dressing room. Can we just show them the plan?
excited.
Just briefly. We don't have to use it. Just have a quick look. Just have a quick look. Have a quick look.
It's a mess.
It's a mess, but just a quick look. Big bedroom 1, big bedroom 2 with an ensuite. Big bedroom 3, big bedroom 4 with an ensuite. This room. Is she asleep right now?
Yeah.
Okay. This room, which is our baby's room, will be your dressing room. The whole thing. This bathroom, which is the kids' bathroom. Kids don't need 2 bathrooms. This bathroom, we're gonna have as just an addition to our ensuite. Why? Because our ensuite has a small bath. Let me show you. This is our ensuite, right? But this bath is small for me. I'm a big guy. I want a big ensuite. Knock down this wall, right? Gone. Steal that bathroom, have a humongous ensuite with gold taps, big jacuzzi. It just needs to happen.
Yeah.
You're sold on that.
White, gold. Just,
Yeah. And then our room will stay big. Our walk-in wardrobe, which is here. I don't think we can go inside. No, we won't go inside. But our walk-in wardrobe, which is here, becomes whose walk-in wardrobe?
Yours.
Mine. But then as well, I think our bedroom will begin like here. And then we'll just step in here.
Yeah, I'll put a door here.
Yeah. Vision. And then all this area, okay? These are all gonna be Juliet balconies. And all down the rooms in our bedroom will have Juliet balconies.
Yeah.
So that's the plan. Are you excited about that plan?
Yeah,
It's all
I
happening.
love that plan.
I remember when we talked about our studio, the studio, and it felt like planning permission, the whole thing, it just felt like, is it gonna happen? But now it's just happened fast.
I know, and it's looking really good.
Yeah,
It's
from the
worth
ground up.
Yeah. No, not from the ground up. You keep trying to get me on that, and I'm like,
All right, lounge, last room, most important room. One of the things that I'm happy to spend money on is comfort, because I think that when you spend, like for instance, our bed is an expensive bed, because when you're spending 8 hours a day in your bed, it needs to be comfortable. Same as the lounge. So this is the lounge. Talk about the lounge. Why did you go? I can't lie, I was scared when you told me you wanted this wall black. I was like, black.
You
But
weren't sure about
it
that.
works, man.
I think
She's
it
an
really
interior
works.
designer, qualified.
I absolutely love the black wall. And I just think it's so simple now, isn't it? But then I think it still looks really nice.
And like yesterday, I had Tony, Ricky, Chris, my mom, my brother, Sienna. We were all here and we were all just in the lounge.
Yeah.
Comfortable,
so
sat
comfy.
down, no
Yeah.
problems. Ricky was sat in my corner right there.
Oh, was it?
Just big and nice.
I know, big and nice. We had the media wall built out, new TV, everything. Like, it's just brilliant.
Yeah.
Really nice when you're watching movies and stuff.
And this sofa was so expensive. Like, but how fast did we buy this sofa? We walked into a sofa shop and we were just sold instantly.
Yeah, we were.
I think this sofa was it, how much was it?
Like 10 grand.
10,000 for a sofa.
Yeah. It is really
Damn.
good sofa.
But
It's so big.
If
isn't
you're
it?
spending so much time in here, I say that, we don't spend much time
No,
in
we
here at all, do
literally don't.
We don't really come in here.
No, we've literally probably only sat in here 2 or 3 times since it's been done. But when we do, it's nice to sit.
Yeah, it is. What they don't teach you at Harvard Business School. See, this is the thing, man. You want to be successful and be able to live in nice big houses and stuff. Firstly, you got to get educated, super smart, right?
Yep.
So if you want to learn about property, because while we were in lockdown, okay, I was getting so many land deals on options, getting planning permission, profiting from the planning. We bought this house, actually, what year was it? I think it was middle of 2021.
Yeah.
We put an offer forward, it was in July.
Yeah, it was in July.
We completed around October, November time in 2021, just as we were coming out of lockdown. So while we were in lockdown and everyone else was struggling and, oh my gosh, panicking, we were making a killing in lockdown and we used the money to buy the house. And now we've got, you know, obviously a lot of stuff going on with the house, refurbing it, but we're gonna add value to it. So yeah, final thoughts?
I'm just excited to see everything absolutely complete, but I'm really happy. I can't believe how much we've changed the house since we bought it.
Oh, I can't believe
it's
it.
It's like a different house.
It's a completely different house.
Yeah.
Also as well, shout out to the person that sold this house to us. Because when they sold the house to us, we sensed that they were like a bit unsure about the sale, so we were holding our breath. And then the day of completion, they then came to get a couple things.
I know.
And when they came to the house, they looked gutted.
I know. I think they'd forgotten how amazing the house was, because the house wasn't on for sale. They just said they were living abroad and they'd said, we're going to move back in. And we were like, we love the house.
Yeah.
So we offered to buy it and that's how it came about. So yeah, I think there was probably a little bit of regret for them.
Maybe there was, but hey, I wish them all the best. And I'm so glad they sold to us because we love this house. I also, we're in the process of buying another house as a second home, which I also love just as much. I just love properties. I love making money from properties, but I just love developing. It's nice developing your own house.
Yeah.
So you want to learn about property? Come and join me at the Property Investors Crash Course, £1. I'll leave a link in the description. Come and meet us, learn about property, learn the skills, and do the same thing. See you next time.